Alright, so hi everyone, this is Brad with Vinted Cranes. I just wanted to show you our mobile app. It's free, there's no charge, it's absolutely free. This is our home page. I'll get to the juicy part of it now. Our training takes you to different training videos. Our blog, every week I engage on different topics on the overhead crane industry and things that every owner should know. But here's the part that you won't normally find, right? Our manuals. So I've been in the industry a long time, and what we found in the crane industry is that to get a manual from a crane company is almost non-existent at times, right? Because they want to come out and do the repairs. We're not like that at Fencer Cranes, right? We'll help our customers as much as possible. And this app I actually developed for our crane technicians. So we had all our manuals in one place for the equipment we work on. There's far more manuals than just this here, but this is the majority of the equipment we work on locally. So we've got some places that are locked with proprietary information, right? Just because it's even proprietary on our side, right? But let me take you through this app so you can see what's here. So under manuals, the first one is e-library. It actually gives you a guide for runway structure. Then I've got some beam charts. I've got some Monk engineering and design charts, and then bumper catalogs and beacon light catalogs, right? These things are useful when you're on site looking for parts for a crane you're busy with, right? Handy right here on your phone. The Venter Cranes part, we've got an e-brake library in there, which is every brake on the market right now, the adjustments, right? I might share that at a later stage, but right now it's locked to our staff because it took us a long time to develop that, and it's proprietary. So we go Abyss Hoist, Condra Cranes, DMAG Cranes, EMH Cranes, GH Cranes, Coney Cranes, Kiddo Canada, R&M Material Handling, Shawbox Hoist, Street Hoist, Stahl Hoist, SEW Eurodrive, Yale Hoist. Then our water weight bag selection chart, water weight rental procedure, remote controls non-OEM, and that would be a lock screen, and safety manuals and standards. That's also proprietary Venture Cranes only. But everything else in here, for example, if we go to let's pick one here. Let's pick DMAG Cranes and Hoists, right? DVR technical guide. Go to R&M for DVR CXT SX manual. P50 manual, 5 to 50, 100 to 200. The FDMR, the DMR series, DVS, right through. You can see it on the screen, right? DMAG remotes, DMAG electrical, DC Pro 10, DMAG YouTube training, right? If technician's on site, he just clicks that, takes you to the DMAG YouTube playlist for whatever system they're working on. Helpful, right? DMAG remotes, a lot of this is still proprietary. I'm busy sifting through what should be and shouldn't be, but I cover off DRC 10s, quick step operations, the D2, the D3, the Ortec, right? Pendant parts. That's just DMAG, right? Let's go for another one that's popular. We'll hit the R&M, material handling, right? Space Master manual, RM SX technical guide, top running service manual, under running service manual, right? Go to VFDs, Hoist watch owl, Hoist control device. So Control Pro training, if I hit on that, it opens up the Control Pro field device, right? The training manual. That's what these things do. All these links, they open up the manual, right? So now you're not storing it on your phone, it's stored on our website. In our web base, right? There's the R&M service instructions, right? So some of these are proprietary, but I give you enough information for any technician to figure it out. The proprietary stuff, you might have to contact us. It's proprietary because it's also proprietary to us, right? So we have to protect it as an OEM for some of the parts. But let's go, for example, EMH cranes. Everything that we've worked on is listed here. The manuals, they're model D and Z. Click it up. Maintenance manual comes up. EMH rope hoist type EG, click that, everything comes up, right? EMH wiring and controls, ATV 320 manual, programming, Genie NX. This would be a proprietary where we keep our customer drawings in, right? That'd be proprietary to us. But I mean, go to GH, all the manuals are in there, right? Wiring is there, everything's there. Coney UNS, U1, U2, go to RMCXT, we already covered that off, right? Street Toys, all the manuals are in here, right? Just click it on, it'll open up the link. It doesn't store to your phone, so it doesn't take up any space on your phone, right? It's all stored on our drive. Movitrek LTP manual, brake adjustment SEW, links to brake adjustment VFD, crane setup would be proprietary information we've put together over 30 years of setting up VFDs for perfect crane control, right? What haven't we covered off here? Condor Hoist, you might not all be familiar with, but there's a few of them around in some of the nutrient plants, right? All the manuals, parts catalogs, makes it easy when you're working on a crane to identify the part you're looking for. Kiddo Canada, Harrington ER, ED2, ER, SERs, ES, right? The new hoist that's out now too. The electric wire rope hoist manual is here, right? So that's what this app is that I've been sharing the link on. This isn't some sort of a money grab app. We're giving you free information for your maintenance staff to be able to work on your own equipment, right? Trying to help our clientele and even crane technicians in the industry have access to these manuals on their phone free of charge to enable this industry to become safer, right? That's the whole goal. We want a safe industry, and we want an industry with trained technicians, and not just in our own company, but universally, right, across Canada or wherever you might be working. So have a look at the hoist, stall hoists, right? The SH manuals, the SLE1 manual, circuit diagrams, right? Everything's available in our app. There's your whole manual. Everything is in there. That's what this app is that I've put out there. I know some people might have seen the link and thought, oh, another sales gimmick. This isn't sales anything. This is a free app to help you, your technicians, and your staff maintain your equipment in good, working, safe order. All right, so this has been Bradley with Fenter Cranes here in Saskatoon. And if you have any questions or comments, shoot me an email. Thanks for listening.